Ever opened your trusty QuickBooks desktop only to be met with a nagging feeling of dread? Maybe a news snippet sent shivers down your spine, or a conversation with a fellow entrepreneur sparked a worry. Is QuickBooks going the way of the dinosaur? Fear not, fellow number crunchers. Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of QuickBooks, specifically, the murmurs surrounding its potential demise. We'll separate fact from fiction and equip you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your accounting future. Shifting sands, the rise of cloud accounting. Let's rewind a bit. The landscape of accounting software has undergone a seismic shift in recent years. Remember the days of clunky floppy disks and dial-up internet? Thankfully, those are relics of the past. Cloud technology has stormed the scene, offering a plethora of benefits. Accessibility. Access your financial data from anywhere, anytime, on any device. No more being chained to your desk. Collaboration. Share data with your accountant, colleagues, or clients seamlessly. Teamwork makes the dream work, right? Automatic updates. No more scrambling to download and install updates. Cloud-based software takes care of it automatically. Enhanced security. Cloud providers invest heavily in robust security measures, keeping your data safe and sound. QuickBooks Desktop. Facing the sunset? So, where does QuickBooks Desktop fit into this evolving ecosystem? Here's the deal. Intuit, the developer of QuickBooks, has made some strategic moves that have fueled speculation about Desktop's future. Firstly, they've discontinued support for older versions of QuickBooks Desktop, 2020 and earlier to be specific. This means no more technical support, online backup, or access to crucial security updates. Yikes! Secondly, they've announced the end of sales for certain QuickBooks Desktop subscriptions in the near future, July 31st, 2024, to be exact. This primarily impacts Plus versions like Desktop Pro Plus and Premier Plus. These decisions paint a clear picture. Intuit is pushing users towards their flagship product, QuickBooks Online, the cloud-based version. But wait! There's more. Hold your horses before you hit the panic button. Here's the silver lining. QuickBooks Desktop isn't disappearing entirely. At least not yet. Newer versions like 2023 are still very much alive and kicking. They receive regular updates and support, ensuring your data remains secure. The key takeaway? While Intuit is clearly prioritizing the cloud, there's still a space for those who prefer the familiarity and control offered by QuickBooks Desktop. Should you jump ship to QuickBooks Online? Now, the million-dollar question. Should you make the leap to QuickBooks Online? Here's a breakdown to help you decide. Mobility. If constant access and remote collaboration are paramount, QuickBooks Online shines. Tech-savvy. Comfortable with the cloud? Online offers a user-friendly interface and automatic updates. Data security. Security concerns? Cloud providers offer robust safeguards for your financial data. However, QuickBooks Desktop might be the better fit if offline functionality. You require the ability to work offline without an internet connection. Customization. You heavily rely on specific features or integrations not readily available in online. Complex needs. You manage a large business with intricate accounting requirements. Ultimately, the choice boils down to your individual needs and preferences. Beyond QuickBooks, exploring alternatives. The accounting software landscape is brimming with options. If you're not sold on either QuickBooks version, fear not. Here are some popular alternatives to consider. 0. A user-friendly cloud-based option with strong collaboration features. FreshBooks. A cloud-based platform perfect for freelancers and small businesses. Zoho Books. Another cloud-based contender offering a robust feature set at competitive prices. While the future of QuickBooks Desktop seems uncertain long-term, it's not going extinct just yet. Newer versions are still supported, offering a safe haven for those who prefer the desktop experience. However, the writing's on the wall. Intuit is betting big on the cloud with QuickBooks Online. The decision ultimately lies with you. Whether you embrace the cloud with QuickBooks Online, stick with the tried-and-true desktop, or explore alternative options, the power to manage your finances effectively remains firmly in your hands. With that said, Thanks for watching, and until next time.